Welcome back guys on my YouTube channel. Now I'm going to give you a clear update about Bitcoin price movement. Like we told you in our previous video, Bitcoin was trying to respect or consolidate around our support trend line, but now we can see we have a huge spike to the downside. So Bitcoin guys at the moment is crashing. Stay with me till to the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, plus sharing this video if you feel it's so valuable, and also commenting down in the description what are you expecting about this analysis we are trying to make. And also follow us on our social media platforms, which is Telegram. We have a Telegram free channel. You can join and communicate with other fellow traders, and also follow us on our social media handles: Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all those social media. All the links are down in the description. Now without wasting time, I'm already in my higher time frame, which is the daily time frame, which we normally use when we are trying to analyze the market. Now at the moment, in our previous video we told you that Bitcoin is in a deep downtrend, because we can see we had an impulse move, we had a correction. Now we are expecting another impulse move to the downside. Hopefully the levels we have spotted, our first level is 17,000, our next level is 12,000 or 13,000. So these two levels are the most sensitive levels we are expecting Bitcoin to play around before we can see a huge bullish momentum from the downside. Now if I try to go to the lower time frame, try to zoom out, we can see that Bitcoin had a bearish flag. See, so we had an impulse move, price came consolidated around this level before we saw another bearish move from this level, dropping all the way to the downside. Now what is our anticipation? We as crypto dives mentors, we can clearly see that Bitcoin at the moment was consolidating, and we told you that Bitcoin might consolidate from this level because it has been acting like a support level for so long. So we had the first touch, second touch, this was our third, fourth and fifth touch. We told you now for Bitcoin, if you are an investor and you would like to buy Bitcoin or invest in more money, we told you to first hold on, because this, when the market is making a little bit correction, that means there is no indication where the market is heading, because there's always pressure from the buyers, at the same time pressure from the sellers. So we told you the price might bounce back to come and retest this broken resistance level, or the price might break our support level and push all the way to the downside. So those were our possibilities which we were expecting. So now one of our possibility was respected, whereby Bitcoin has broken our support trend line, pushing the price all the way to the downside. Now I can see that we have a, let me try to first delete this. I can see that we have a breakout, but we haven't experienced our retest. Now Bitcoin might come back to retest this broken support trend line before you can see a huge spike, spiking all the way from the level of 20,000 to the level of 17,000. So that is our prediction on Bitcoin. Or our second anticipation is Bitcoin may not even retest, because there is a lot of hype, or people are selling off their coins because they are seeing we are in a bearish momentum, and also most of the people are not having the rightful information. They are on pressure, they are trying to sell off their Bitcoins in order to save their capital, mind you. But at the same case, there are some people who are still holding their portfolios, but the only thing they are doing is keeping on hedging their portfolios, because that is the right way an investor must do. Now, if you're there and investing your money in Bitcoin, I think at the moment, wait for the perfect entry to hedge or add in more money before you see the price shooting all the way to the upside. Now, our second anticipation is seeing Bitcoin dropping all the way from this level. Now, if this level doesn't hold strong, we shall see price breaking this level, dropping all the way to the downside. So thank you guys for those who have made it till to the end of this video. I think we have learned a lot. We shall be giving you more updates about the movement of Bitcoin. Don't forget to like and subscribe, plus sharing our video, because we are still uploading more content and also signing up with our reliable crypto broker, which is Binance Limited.